In this video, I will show you how to reset your password on OnlyFans. So if you want to reset your OnlyFans password, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going over to our browser and then we're going to search in for onlyfans.com. And then we are going to click on forgot password in here. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we need to fill in our email address and then we will receive a link to reset our password. So I'm just going to fill in my email address and then I'm going to click on send. So I filled in my email address and now it says that I have an email in my inbox which has a link for a temporary password reset, and then I will be able to set a new one. So let's go and click on close in here, and now I'm going over to my email to get this link. So as you can see at the top, we have an email from OnlyFans, so we're going to click on this email. And then in here, in our email, we need to click on this link and then we will be redirected to a session where we can put in a new password. So I'm going to click on this link and then I'm going to reset my password. In here, I need to fill in my new password and then I need to confirm it. And once I do that, I need to click on save. So let's go ahead and do this. So that is how you do it. I'm in my account right now and I've changed my password. So this is how you can reset your password on OnlyFans. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.